A very happy morning to you, my dear students. Dear students, for subject Value Education for Standard 4, today we are going to do lesson 9, The Old Lady. We are going to do it in two parts. Today, in part 1, what we are going to do? The focus on the value of sympathy. To sympathize means to feel for others and do something to reduce their suffering. So think over, think over. Sympathy is not about thinking of others' suffering. Sympathy does not mean कि आप उनके बारे में उनको तकलीफ़ हो रही है, वो कष्ट में है, उनको दुख हो रहा है, सिर्फ सोचना नहीं है. Sympathy is not about thinking. It is to act. It is आपको उनके लिए कुछ करना भी है, सिर्फ सोचना नहीं. उनका दुख दर्द दूर करने के लिए आपको उनके लिए कुछ कर दिखाना है. So sympathy is not thinking about the suffering of others. It is to act to remove the ceaseless. Ceaseless means endless. जो कभी उनका ख़त्म नहीं हो रहा लाइफ में, उतनी तकलीफ़ें, दुख, कष्ट जो हो रहा है. The endless, the ceaseless sufferings of the world. You will find around you when you move out people who are poor, who don't have enough to eat, who don't have proper clothes to wear. There is so much suffering in this world. And if you are a sympathetic person, what you will do? You not just think for them, but you will do something for them. Do you have sympathy for people who are sick and need help? It's not just poor. What about the sick people who don't have family or people to care, to look after them? Do you go to meet the sick people, the needy person? Do you donate to help the needy person? Do you help people in need? Like you see in this picture, the nurse caring for that old lady who is smiling because simple words of love, care, concern brings joy to others, make them feel better. So kind person is like a light in the dark. जो दुखी है, जो बहुत कष्ट में है, उनके लिए आपका वो simple help बहुत सुख देता है. It is like light in the dark. He or she who shows sympathy towards the sick, the poor and the needy. So who is kind person? Kind person is the one who shows sympathy, the one who does something to bring down the sorrow or the trouble of the poor and the needy. Kind words work as medicine for sadness. आपकी ये छोटे से kind act से दूसरों का दुख दूर होता है. So students, let's watch the video, and in this video you will see the value of sympathy. Okay, so watch the video about the old lady.
The old lady. 3 friends, Harry, Ben and Ned, were on their way to the inter-village wrestling tournament.
So, where are these 3 friends going? The 3 friends are going for a wrestling match to a different village. And on their way, what happens?
They had eaten rich and nutritious breakfast.
So, because they are going for wrestling competition, they made sure they had good, nutritious food. Okay, kilos and then laddus and milk, and they had all this nutritious diet as breakfast.
Laddus, almonds, fruits and milk. They were feeling very energetic. Just then, they saw an old lady. She was standing beside a huge load that was already heavy. She was calling out to every passerby, pleading them to lift it and take it to a nearby village called Sandapur.
So, on the way, they saw an old lady. What was the lady doing? She had a load, a big, huge bag, and she was asking every passerby to help her carry that load to the nearby village, which was on the way.
Hey, stop, because Sandapur was not so far. Neither was it out of the way.
So, what was the name of that village? Samdapur. The old lady wanted to come to Samdapur and she had a big load to carry. And she was old, so she was asking people to help her.
But Bill and Lil refused and said, "We can't help this lady. Her load will break her backs."
So, what did the two friends say? No, no, no. We cannot help her carry the load, because if we carry the load, it will break our back, we will be tired, and we are going for a competition, wrestling competition. So, if we are tired, we will not be able to do well in the competition. So, two of them refused to help the old lady. But one, what did he do?
Or tired us. What will we do at the tournament? But Bill could not move. For he felt sympathy for the old lady. He tried to lift it alone. It was very heavy. Then opened the cloak.
So, he went to the old lady. He tried to lift the load. It was very heavy. Then, what did he do? He opened the load and all the things, parcel, he kept it together. He balanced the load, tied it and lifted it easily.
That was holding it together. He balanced the load and with all his might lifted it. He reached Sandapur and laid the load in the lady's house. Then he went ahead for wrestling. He was tired but happy for wrestling match.
So, he helped the lady. He reached it to Samdapur and then he was tired. वो बहुत थक गया था. But still, he went for the wrestling tournament.
His friends did well, but could not lift the last set of weights that were tied to a huge prong.
And these are his two friends. They did not help the lady. They went for the tournament and they tried to lift the weight. What happened? Were they able to lift it? No. Then let's see what about the other boy.
And thus they fell with the load. Now it was his turn. His friends advised him not to try lifting the weight. They said, "It is too heavy and you look tired. Had you not?"
So, now it is his turn. What did his friend tell him? Don't try lifting that weight, because you were helping that old lady and now you are tired, so you will not be able to do it. So, don't try. But he went ahead and he did.
Sympathize with that old lady. You could have at least tried it. This will break your back. But he went ahead. But looked at the bar and he realized that the four weights were not balanced like the old lady's load.
Now, when he looked at the weight, the balance, उसको ये समझ में आया कि ये बराबर बैलेंस किया नहीं गया है. One side it is less, one side it is more. Just like this bag, he was not able to take. वो बैग क्यों नहीं उठा पाया था? क्योंकि उसमें सामान बैलेंस करके नहीं रखा था. So he understood. Like he balanced the things in the bag, it was easy to take. In the same way, if the weights are balanced, then he will be able to lift. And how did he know that? उसको ये बात कैसे मालूम पड़ा? क्योंकि उसने already एक बार experience किया था. Okay, so now let's see.
They were just hanging together. He had balanced out the four weights. With the heaviest one, the right, and the rest
This
of
is a heavy one.
on the left. Now the bar was balanced. He picked it up in no time and ran the table. Silently, he thanked the old lady and her look.
So he was able to do, and he said thank you to the old lady. Now let's go back to our song. So having learnt about about helping others, now see, let's sing along. Okay. My heart is reaching out to you. So you learned that you should have sympathy for others. सिर्फ दूसरों का तकलीफ देकर उसके बारे में सोचना नहीं है, but उसके लिए कुछ करना भी है. My heart is reaching out to you for what you are going through. So if somebody is crying, my heart, हमें उसे फील करना है, उसका दुख महसूस करना है. I am thinking of you frequently and praying for you too. उसके लिए हमें सोचकर उसके लिए प्रेयर भी करना है. If there is something I can do, and if you can do something for that person, anything at all, वो कुछ भी हो सकता है, एक छोटा सा थोड़ी देर उसके साथ बैठ के बात करना भी हो सकता है. Anything at all, think of me, thinking of you, and don't hesitate to call. So if you have any trouble, you think of me, my friend, you think of me and don't hesitate. आपको बिल्कुल भी झिझकना नहीं है. आपको जब हेल्प चाहिए अपने फ्रेंड को बुलाकर बताना चाहिए. My heart is reaching out to you for what you are going through. I am thinking of you frequently and praying for you too. If there is something I can do, anything at all, think of me, thinking of you, and don't hesitate to call. So students, our plan of action is, I will take care of people. हमें दूसरों का ख्याल रखना है. I will always help people in need. If somebody needs your help, you have to help. I will never make fun of beggars. जो पुअर है, जो भीख मांग रहे, उनका मजाक मस्ती नहीं करना है. I will never make fun of beggars. So I hope you will show sympathy for others and do something for them. So until we meet again in the next lesson, do practice your plan of action. Happy learning. God bless you all.